Are you struggling to get targeted traffic and autopilot sent to your website or affiliate link without paying a dime an ad? If your answer is yes, I have a simple trick to reveal for you. I have found a simple trick to drive unlimited targeted traffic from ClickBank, JV's the Warrior Plus sent to my link of my choice without paying a dime an ad. Can you believe me? Yes. If that is yes, it's true. I have used this same simple trick to drive targeted traffic to my link of my choice. Get my affiliate link here. According to online survey that conducted in 2021, they discovered the reason why 98% of affiliates are failed because they lack of getting constantly high targeted traffic to their website and affiliate offer. It's not because they aren't working hard. So many of them are working hard on the wrong thing. Here's the reality. What are you doing is not working. And if you continue down the road, you will end up like 98% over the work stressed out and nothing to show for it. You can never succeed online with what everyone else doing. You need new tricks and tactics to generate highly targeted traffic to your software. And that I wanted to teach you today. So before we move on, let me tell you this little about myself. I started my affiliate journey in 2015. When I first learned about affiliate marketing, I was never interested in the idea of affiliate marketing because I heard 98% of affiliate fail of lack of generating highly targeted traffic to their offer. It's too competitive. One morning I woke up and something tells me nothing is impossible. If I learn exactly how traffic generation works online, I will never worry about traffic. From that day, I began doing some research, paying attention, buying new courses. One day I was trying to get my affiliate link from ClickBank. I discovered this simple trick to drive unlimited targeted traffic to any link of my choice on autopilot without paying any money on ads. And what struck me most, no one is talking about it. It seems to me only me know about this weird trick. I never had any heard any guru talk about it or anyone online at all. And that simple trick changed my life. I start getting clicked every day on my Bitly link. A few sales started coming in daily in my Warrior Plus account. And this same simple trick I used to get all that result. I wanted to share with you today for pennies. Only $12. The name of this product is Zero Click Traffic Unlimited Leads. You may be thinking, if I'm earning with this simple trick, why will I share it with you, with our others? The truth is I discover it will never be blocked. If is evergreen that never runs out of working. Lastly, many people are too lazy, even they bought the course, they will never implement it, etc. Learning is one thing, doing is another thing. If you know you will not implement this, please don't purchase it. I don't sell courses to earn money online. I sell it to change life. But I believe you are not among the lazy people. That's why you read till here. And for that, I will give you a discount. The price is $97 for the course, but today you get it for only $12. You haven't buy till now. I have one more trick I used to do video. Your YouTube review. If you order now, I will also share that with you for as far free as bonuses. I will show you exactly how I find a done for you video review in 5 minutes and upload it to YouTube, earn commission. If you think this product is for you, then click the link below this page. Today Regular price, $97 today, only $12. You will learn these inside the bonus guide. The power of belief and shaping your mindset. Number 1. Number 2, stopping the negativity. Number 3, setting goals. Number 4, change and the law of interior. Number 5, developing your iron resolve. Start. Number 6, auto prioritize. Number 7, auto focus. Number 8, persistent review organization. Number 9, why you must choose the passive income model. Stop trading your time for money. Make money while you sleep. Passive income model. Email marketing. Create your own product. Write an e-book. Sell physical product. List building and email marketing. Why you need to build an email list. Number 18, you will be building an asset. Number 19, match your $10,000 per month. Number 21, $1 per month per subscriber. 21, get into 1,000 email subscriber. 22, get into 5,000 email subscriber. 23, get into 10,000 email subscriber. 24, developing your list building plan. Number 25, watch niche and why. Number 26, why you need a sale funnel, squeeze page. Number 7, autoresponder service. Number 28, a high quality lead magnet. And 29, one-time offer OTO page. Number 30, your download pages and more. So if you think this product is for you, if you purchase this product today for only $12, you get all the bonuses here. All these bonuses here. So, and it's a guaranteed 100% satisfaction. So it's 0 click traffic plus bonuses, unlimited lead, only $12. When you purchase this product, you get all the bonuses. If you think this product is for you, then click the link below here and get this product here. Thank you for watching my 0 click traffic bonus affiliate review. Thank you and see you on the next review.